Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm just gonna put music in the background because for some reason my audio doesn't want to work. So yep. Yep. So oh, wait, what? Yeesh. Wait, what? Oh. Anyway, I have a hacked cat. Oh my gosh, I have it. I have it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on. And can you see it? Guys, just ignore all the exclusive. Those don't matter, okay? All of these, those don't matter, okay? Huge pets. Huge pets. Oh, there it is. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look how much. Those 4 exist now. What? Oh yeah, thank you, Rec Gamer 202 for he last video. Remember those 2 huge pets he got? Yeah, he got rid of them for this. Was that L trade or W trade? But this is the man right here. Yep, that's him. This guy right here. Yep. And now Train Plaza. Yeah, it's mine now. It's gonna be mine now, so I think you're gonna have to go away. Yep, yep. Pet? What pet? What? Oh, I meant hardcore mode. What pet? Oh, you mean this pet? It's for, how about this for, what will people offer for this pet? Why is it so laggy? Oh my gosh. Why is it so laggy? Hey guys, yes, still continuing with the video. Shout out to my hearts and your feelings, but my favorite Roblox fan. Yep, for him right there, thank you again. For giving me the hugest. Oh my gosh, I have so much. Wait, no, wait. Plus on my crystals. Oh my gosh, now that's a picture. Oh my god. Titanic ready. There's a Titanic in the distance. Oh my gosh. Why is that Titanic? Guys, someone has a huge Angeles. Oh my gosh. Is that okay? Is that okay if I can go in normal mode and okay, thank you. Yippee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have a whole army of huges. Yeehaw. Oh, come on, just loading already. Thank you. Hmm. This is gonna take a long time to grind gold. Actually, let me go to the farm. I'll go in here. Yep. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what? Pretty 8,000, Willie. Cartoon 1, Cartoon 1, Rainbow Coins 3. Trying to get the doodle cat, and the rainbow, wait, rainbow? Oh my gosh, guys, yes. Please. Yeah, for some reason, if I teleport to the normal one, and then go over here, the giant balloon cat's missing, because it's only in this secret area. It's only in here now. So, oh yes, the OG Winter Swings have the new one, so yep. Who is up to Pet God? Oh, I got 1 billion. Wait. I got that much, jeez. Jeez, it's taking a long time. Yep.